Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview integration with third-party services. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the integration features. Now you can access that by clicking on the integrations button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to select the third-party service. So go ahead and select the third-party service that you want to integrate with, such as a brokerage account or a trading platform. Third step is going to be to configure the integration. So go ahead and configure the integration by entering your account credentials and setting up the integration parameters. Now the fourth and final step is going to be to use the integrated services. So now you can use the integrated services to access additional features and functionalities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview integration with third-party services. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.